Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today the topic is all about which house in Vedic astrology is related to business. This is one of the questions which I received from some of my audience who follow my YouTube videos. So let me tell you, the houses that are represented for business is third house, seventh house, and tenth house. This talks about business because third house talks about communication, networking, short distance travel, the support from the friends, and also efforts. Whereas seventh house talks about others, money from the foreign countries, and also business partnerships. All these things can be seen from the seventh house. And whereas 10th house talks about business, whether you will be succeed in the business can be seen from the 10th house, and also whether you'll be getting the rewards and recognitions for your efforts can also be seen from the 10th house. And 10th house also represents profession, 10th house represents social status, 10th house represents prestige, right? So third house, seventh house, and 10th house are primarily responsible for checking up the business, and depending upon the planets playing placed in this houses, it will determine whether it will be successful in business or not. And the people who have Saturn in the third house in the natal chart, that is in the native birth chart, these people definitely they'll be doing some kind of service, and automatically after a couple of years they'll be switching over to the business. I've seen in many horoscopes. So this is what happens if at all you have Saturn in the third house, and if at all Jupiter in the seventh house, and also Mercury in the seventh house, or Mercury in the 10th house, or Jupiter in the 10th house, even the Venus for that matter, it signifies that this person will be meant for business. And also, we need to check whether this person will be meant for job as well as business by looking at the Ashtaka Varga score of 6th house, 7th house, and 10th house. So, if 6th house is having more points compared to 7th house, then definitely this person will be meant for job. Okay, let's say Ashtagavarga score in the 6th house you got around 28 out of 36. Let's say in 7th house you have got Ashtagavarga score of 32 out of 36. So obviously 6th house talks about service, whereas 7th house talks about business. And if at all 7th house Ashtagavarga score is more than the 6th house, then definitely this person will be excelling well in the business. And that is not the only criteria. In fact, we have to check complete planetary alignment of the birth chart. Then only we can come into the conclusion. And most importantly, planet of business is basically Mercury. Mercury plays a major role, and Mercury should be stronger in the birth chart to get business profits. All right. So whether naturally you'll be able to reap the fruits of the business efforts can be seen from the placement of Mercury. If the Mercury is conjunct with Sun, if it is combusted with Sun or afflicted by Rahu or Ketu, then definitely we need to think twice before investing onto the business. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is just a short bite on the video on the topic which houses in astrology is related to the business. In fact, I've spoken many other I've spoke many in videos with regards to the business astrology. Please do check those videos also and learn Vedic astrology. And if at all you need an astrological consultation from me, you need to book for the consultation. Especially you can book for the business prospects consultation, because that will be talking about totally about your business side of your life. Alright, so do book for an astrological consultation. And the people who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon next to subscribe button, and also mention in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, what exactly you loved from this video, so that I can able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, and I'll see you in the consultation. Bye for now.